operations, please.
So what is the difference will it make if we go as a yoga profession with our certificate and going with the RFM tie-up? What is the big difference there?
Ma'am, the biggest difference is that you will actually have a professional PPT, professional videos. You will have a professional way around of dealing with those institutes. Secondly, if you cannot find the decision maker of that school or college, RFM will help them, because it won't happen that you have find one school and now that one school has given you the business. It will never happen. You need to find at least 15 schools to get business from one school. For that, RFM will be sending emails through our accounts, keeping you in CC, making you point of contact, and we will be constantly buzzing those schools so that they can revert on. Okay, so the difference will be in the approach. Difference will be in the guidance and the curriculum that we will be presenting to that school. And if you can do it independently, nothing better than we would actually encourage that. Okay, all right.
And if we go through RFM, like we do as a tie-up with RFM, so what are the benefits the teacher will get? Like as a profession, if I go, will they increase in pay? Does it affect that? Like
ma'am, definitely, because the approach will be professional. When you get high pay, you will get high pay. Suppose you go to Starbucks and they charge you high. Why they charge you high? Because there is a professional coffee maker, there are professional machines, your greetings are professional, the ambience is professional, right? You go to a street vendor, the cost is low. Why? Because things are not professional, right? The only difference which makes you pay higher is the professional approach which RFM will bring in.
It will be like Miss Swati is the yoga teacher in our school, or instead of saying RFM Academy is the yoga institution for our school. So this will be the change, right?
Yes.
Okay, get it.
Yeah. Alright, Swati ji, you ask this question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, after your thing only we have you are the right person to ask this question.
Yes, thank you, sir.
So this is to enable you guys only. Yeah? Alright. So I hope that everyone liked the workshop, the tools that I have given. Please give me a encouragement, like a thumbs up, that yes, I should bring in more stuff like this.
Yes, sir, you are doing the marvelous job. After yesterday's call and today getting all this stuff in today's class, it's like a hats off. Very impressive.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I have become a big fan of RFM again.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
And I am proud for my decision for doing 300 hours from RFM.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Do keep us posted on how you are liking the 300 hour and what else you are doing after the 300 hour. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shwini. Thank you, Devi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I would like to really mention about RFM Academy that it is doing a great job. It is literally doing a great job. It surpassed my expectations in everything. Literally everything surpassed my expectations. Everybody is well read, everybody is knowledgeable, everybody is giving up to the point of what you have to do in life. So the classes are going great. 200-hour yoga is also going great. I'll be joining more courses, obviously, because even I'm a fan of RFM Academy. And Dhruv sir, thanks to you. You've been a tremendous help. You've really been tremendous help to me. So thank you so much, sir.
Just doing our duty and trying to bring the highest quality of standards that we are. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming out for this workshop and believing in RFM and giving out your precious time to us. Anybody has a question, we are ready to have it. Mohini, we will see you in the 3 to 4.
Yes, sir, absolutely. Yes, thank you so much.
One thing to add for all the new students, the 3 to 4